Hello everyone, how are you doing today? How are my tiny tots doing today? I hope you're doing fine and watching my videos and learning from them. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap, and I'm back with another chapter for you, and our today's chapter is My Sense Organs. Okay, everyone has some senses, some organs. We sense through our organs. Now today class we will study about sense organs. Okay, so there are 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first one is eyes, nose, mouth, ears and our skin. Through that we can touch or feel. Okay, so we have these 5 organs with us. So the first one is ears. What we do with our ears? We hear. We hear with our ears. हम ears से सुनते हैं, ठीक है? जब भी कोई ड्रम बीट करता है, we hear through our ears. हम ears से सुनते हैं, okay? That is our one sense organ. Now next is nose. Nose is our second sense organ, and we smell with our nose. What do? We smell with our nose. Like there is a hot dog here, or like a burger. So we can smell that it's a hot dog. It's very yummy. So we have smell with our nose. Okay. Next is eyes. Eyes is the third sense organ, and we see with the eyes. Like when we look at the sun, we can see that yes, there is one sun. It is very bright and sunny. Okay. So how do we know that? Through our eyes. We see, we look around with our eyes. That is our third sense organ. Okay. Now next is mouth or our tongue. Now show me your tongue, everyone. That is our tongue. And we taste. We taste with our tongue. See, it's a candy here, and we eat candy. We taste candy with our tongue. Okay, that is the fourth sense organ. We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Okay. Now last one is our hands or our skin, through which we can touch. If we touch a very cold drink, how do we know that it's a cold drink and it's very cold? Because of our skin. It tells us that it is very cold. बहुत ठंडी है. If we touch a hot tea, we remove our hand quickly. ऐसे करते हैं ना? So through our skin tell us that it's very hot. तो बहुत गर्म है. And then immediately we remove our hand from that side. So through our skin we can tell that something is hot, cold or very rough or soft, anything with our skin. So we can touch with our skin. Okay, we can touch with our skin. All right, there is one rhyme. You all will sing the rhyme with me. Let's start. My eyes can see the big bright sun. Come on everyone, sing with me. My eyes can see the big bright sun. My nose can smell the hot sweet fun. My nose can smell the hot sweet fun. My ears can hear the big loud drum. My ears can hear the big loud drum. My tongue can taste all things yum. My tongue can taste all things yum. My skin can feel the sand. My skin can feel the sand. What fun! Love your senses, everyone. We should love our senses because they are very important part of our body. Okay. Now let's move to the next page, which is matching. Match the related pictures. See the first picture? We have to matching with these 5 sense organs. So the first one is hen. Hen is speaking and hen is saying kukuduku, right? So how do we know that hen is talking or hen is speaking kukuduku? Through our ears. We can hear through our ears. So we will match this picture with our ears, okay? We will match this picture with our ears. Now in this one, we can hear this trumpet. Yes, we can hear the sound of the trumpet through our ears. So we will match it with the ears, okay? Next is butterfly. Next is butterfly. We cannot touch them, we cannot smell that, but we can see. We can see the butterfly. We will match it with the eyes. And what else we can see? We can see through a magnifying glass. Yes, we can see through the magnifying glass. So we will match it with this picture. Okay. Next is the cake. Yummy birthday cake. We taste birthday cake, right? So we taste through the tongue. We match it with the tongue. And what else do we taste? A pizza. Yes, we all love pizza and we taste with our tongue. Okay. Now, next is the picture of this animal, which is goose. Which is goose. If we touch the goose, it is very rough in texture. Okay, it is very rough. So, how do we know that it's rough? Through our hands, through our skin. We'll match it with the hand. Okay. Now, what else is there? This pillow. And pillow is very soft and comfortable, right? So how do we know that pillow is soft? By our skin and by we touch them. We will match it with the pillow like this. Okay. Now next is rose. Now rose has a very nice fragrance, isn't it? So how do we know that? Through our nose. We smell with our nose. So rose will go up, and this is the garbage. And garbage has a very dirty smell, right? Garbage, the trash has a very dirty smell. So how do we know that? Through our nose. We smell with our nose. We'll match it with the garbage and it is done. Okay. Now, I hope you have understood the concept of my sense organs and you will practice it at your home. Now, I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.